In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step training on how I just started promoting a brand new affiliate program 3 months ago and how I've built it up to a roughly $6,000 a month business with completely free traffic. This is an on-screen training, which means we're going to show you the landing pages that we're using, we're going to show you the affiliate program, we're going to show you the bridge pages, the emails, the traffic sources. We're going to dive deep into everything to help you hopefully be able to mimic exactly what I'm doing here to do the same for yourself. Better yet, if you stay till the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can actually get the bridge pages and landing pages that I'm using and the emails that I'm using for yourself to be able to use as well. So let's hop right on the screen. We'll start showing you things and kind of proving how this works. So as you can see here, the program is called Legendary Marketer. You can let me know in the comments if that's something that you're promoting as well, or if you've heard of it or haven't heard of it. And you can see the numbers here. Today, it's done about $1,000. Yesterday, $8. Last 7 days, $2,300, and then $6,100 in the last 30 days. I can click refresh here if that helps the people that always seem to think that I'm scamming them. Really believe this. Okay, so you can see now it's $30,000 or $6,000 in 30 days. I wish it was $30,000. So let's talk about how we were able to achieve these results. The first thing, and probably the most important thing here, is the affiliate program that I chose. You guys may remember a video I put out maybe 3 months ago where I talked about how to choose the proper affiliate program. If you haven't watched that, there's a link here. You should go watch that either now or after this video. But it's very, very, very important as a new affiliate that you choose a program that has the right pieces in place for you to actually make commissions like this. So in this case, if you're familiar with Legendary Marketer, they've got a funnel that is extremely proven. Okay, it's a funnel that they have tested and they know that it works and that it will convert. On top of that, they have a sales team, meaning when I send them leads, they not only will email follow up, they will Facebook follow up, they will actually get on the phone and call your leads and try to convert them, and you'll still get commissions off that. And then the third thing that I love about them is they have multiple products. Okay, they've got low ticket products ranging from free to $1.99 all the way up to I think $4,000 to $6,000 is their top product. And you make about 40% commission off each of these. And what that means is that me as the affiliate can send people to some of those lower ticket offers and try to convert them there and let the highly trained, well-oiled machine that is Legendary Marketer convert on the back end. So let's hop in and let's look at the landing pages that we're using for this. There's 2 landing pages that I'm sending all the traffic that we're going to talk about later on to. The first one, and I'm going to let you guys decide, I'm going to have you guys vote on which one you think is doing better. The first one here is this one right here, okay? So Legendary Marketer is primarily a training for affiliate marketers. It helps affiliate marketers learn all the different aspects of building an affiliate marketing business. So you can see here, I've got a opt-in that is very related to what Legendary Marketer sells. I've got a video training teaching people how to make a full-time passive income doing affiliate marketing, which is selling other people's stuff. Okay, and you can see it is a terrible looking landing page. But that's the landing page and the offer, the opt-in that I'm giving people up front. Okay, I want to show you the other one. The other one that you guys might be familiar with is a webinar. And this is a free webinar where I basically do a deep dive into my own business. I show different aspects of my affiliate business and how I built it, and then what tools and strategies I use to build it up to a 6-figure affiliate business. Now you can see here, this page has taken a lot more time to build. I had a professional do it. It wasn't just me that whipped it out. Versus this page, which you can see clearly Spencer building it. And I want to know in the comments which page you think is doing better in terms of opt-ins. Okay? Because these are the 2 landing pages where I'm driving all of my leads that I'm then converting into Legendary Marketer sales. So you can see here, it's obviously very important that we get a good opt-in rate. So let me know in the comments which one, and we'll talk about it a little later on, which one's actually doing the best. But one thing that I really want you to take away from both of these is they are very, very related to the product that I plan on promoting. So the affiliate product that I plan on promoting is Legendary Marketer, which is an affiliate marketing training, which means the leads that I collect, I want to be, that is the exact interest that I want them to have shown me that they want. And so by coming through this funnel and saying, yes, I want to know how to, do 7 figures as an affiliate marketer, and I want to know how to make a passive income as an affiliate marketer, they are showing that is their interest. And now I know, well, I've got an audience of people that will benefit from Legendary Marketer's products and are already actively seeking and expressing interest in this type of product. And that's very, very important as we move people through this system, that we make sure the front end people, the people that are coming in, is the right audience. The next step And the funny thing about this, guys, is I'm just doing classic affiliate marketing here. I'm not doing anything crazy. There's no secrets here, but I'm showing you step by step how this works with very classic affiliate marketing methods. So the next step is what's called a bridge page. And if you're not familiar with a bridge page is where we try to pre-frame somebody or get somebody in the right mindset to buy an affiliate product before we send them to an affiliate link. So a lot of affiliates will make the mistake of taking somebody, and when that person says, send me the training, they say, great. They capture their email, and then they send them straight to the affiliate marketing or to the affiliate offer. Okay, they send them right to that affiliate offer and think, okay, now they'll convert them. But the problem is they're not in the right frame of mind to buy that affiliate offer. They know who you are, and they got into your funnel, but they have no idea why they suddenly ended up at this random, funnel or even this random opt-in page. And very few will put in their email address because they're feeling confused as to how they even got there. So your next step is what's called a bridge page, and all this does is we're trying to get them prepared to send them to the affiliate offer so that when they do get there, they're ready, they're excited, they know exactly what it is they're going to get, and then you'll basically get a much higher opt-in rate than you would otherwise. So the bridge page for me takes their biggest desire. Hey, I'm going to teach you, in this free course, I talked about making a passive income with affiliate marketing things. Well, how would you like to speed up that process a little bit, right? So this is desire-based. Everything we do is desire-based, and you got to spend some time up front thinking, what are their real desires? Is it, they want to make money now? Is it they want to make a passive income? Is it they want to be super, super rich? And base your marketing on that. And I know that these people, they want to make a passive income, but they all want to make money now as well, right? There's something driving them right now, typically. And so that's where this little video comes in. It's 1:48. I won't make you watch it, but you can all go here and watch it if you'd like. And all this is a bridge page to one of Legendary Marketer's lower end products. Okay, and the video basically prepares them. It does, you can see on the screen here, I show them a little bit for the product, and then I get them to join. Okay, and that seems like super simple, but we've got them ready now. We've got them with the right mindset so that when someone does go to that challenge, they join. Okay, a vast majority of them join because they're planning on joining. Versus if you just send them straight there, a vast majority of them click the X in about 3 seconds because they're confused as to what happened. Okay, so what I actually do is if you go to my ClickFunnels account, I have 2 different bridge pages. It split tests, sending them to Legendary Marketer product number 1 that's free, and Legendary Marketer product number 2 that costs $1.99. Okay, so half the people get sent here and half the people get sent here. Okay, and they look very similar. As you can see, they're both bridge pages. They're both the similar products, but one costs $1.99, it's a book, and one is a free challenge. And if you can, I always recommend doing something like this. Testing will always yield better results in the long run. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sending my traffic to that landing page. I'm making an affiliate offer to them that's very related to the people that will then want either of these 2 offers, either the challenge or the book. Next, I'm bridging them over. So the second page, page 2 in the funnel, is just this bridge page with a link, and that's obviously my affiliate link, to the affiliate offer of Legendary Marketer. Okay, so we've got a lead magnet. We've got a landing page where our lead magnet is offered, and we've got a bridge page at this point. By the way, guys, if you feel like you're learning something, I would love a subscribe down below. This channel is all about affiliate marketing. If that's your goal, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. Let's keep talking about what we're doing next with email and with traffic, the most important piece of this entire puzzle. So the next thing we've got all these email addresses, right? So I would guess maybe 10% to 20% of my leads that put in their email address on one of these pages that we just showed you end up clicking get the book and actually getting the $1.99 offer or getting the free challenge. Okay, I would probably lean more towards 10% of the people are actually going on and spending money with Legendary Marketer, which means I've got 90% of other people that I now have got an email address for, but they probably haven't actually purchased the product. And that's where the email automation comes in. And I talk a lot about this, guys, and I'm going to get linked later on to a playlist right here where you can learn everything you need to know about setting up affiliate email sequences and doing exactly what I'm doing here. But let's just dive in here. You can see in the active campaign, I have got a lot of emails that go out. Okay, and they're not all about Legendary Marketer, but starting 3 months ago, I added Legendary Marketer into this sequence. And we're going to show one of the, or 2 of the emails that we do, okay? So the first one is for the book. We'll say this book right here, where I say, hey, you should get this book. Well, next they go into this email automation. We're not going to talk about the first 4 emails where we kind of introduce me and my story to these people, but we are going to dive into this email right here, okay? Hey, first name. Have I talked about Dave yet? David Sharp, he's the founder of Legendary Marketer. He's responsible for 100 million in affiliate sales. That's just crazy. I can't imagine. Okay, what we're doing is we're building authority for the affiliate offer. Okay, so we're going to be sending them to this affiliate offer, and we want the authority to be built up so they trust and they want to buy from the person or the company that we're now sending them to. So this is called building authority. So we built authority for the offer, and then we go into the opportunity, which for me is this book. Now, my email, I talk about basically mistakes that I've made, how the book is just $2. I talk about how I bought it. Okay, so that lends credibility as I say that I bought it, which I did buy it and I did read it, and it is a good book actually. Anyway, and then I do an offer-based thing. If you want to stop spinning your wheels and find strategies that work, you need this book. Here's the link. Okay, so that's email number one. It's not a crazy email. The next thing I do is I've got a checker that goes in this thing right here, checks to see if they actually read email number one. And if they didn't read email number one, I send them email number one again. I call that email number 1B. Okay, this is the way that I get 40 to 50% of my list to read the really important emails, is by sending email number 1B to everybody that didn't open it. At that point, everybody heads over and they're now all getting email number 2. Okay, and email number 2 is a follow-up. Okay, whoa. A lot of times people ask me who taught me what I know, how did I learn? The answer is everybody. So now I'm going to highlight the affiliate offer. I'll always do this affiliate offers where I'll kind of dive in. For this one, it's a book, so I actually share a quote from the book. I talk about how that quote can change them and basically benefit them. I talk about how it took me a year to learn that one single quote. So this quote right here about choosing the best affiliate offers to promote, I talk about how long it took me to figure that out, and how if I could have shaved that off my first year, I would have accelerated my commissions a lot, which is what their goal is, right? Make money faster. Kind of going back to this bridge page right here, Okay, and then we make the offer again. Okay, it's like the Bible of affiliate marketing, and we're done. Typically, depending on the offer, I'll do 3 or 4 different emails. For this affiliate marketing book, I only do 2 emails. But I've got this sequence for all of their low-end offers. So they've got a business builder challenge, they've got a TikTok challenge, and they've got this affiliate marketing book. And for all 3 of those offers, I am sending an email in this sequence. I'm actually sending 2 to 3 emails for each of those offers, because I know they're related to my audience. I know that they convert once we get them into the Legendary Marketer ecosystem. And so I'm doing everything I can with the bridge page and with the emails to get them over to the Legendary Marketer ecosystem. I know they're the right audience, right? Like, I know they opted into this, so it's the right audience. I just need to get them over there and into that high converting funnel and pipeline that's well oiled on Legendary Marketer side. And I know that there'll be conversions that come out of it. So that's what all 3 of these different sets of emails that I send for those different products are trying to do. They're not trying to sell the high ticket product, the $1,000 or the $2,000 products. They're just trying to get them into the door so the well-oiled machine can come into play and do that for me. Let's talk traffic. Okay, I know that traffic is kind of the holy grail of all this. We've got this whole system in place, and most people struggle at the front end of getting those people inside of this system that we've created. And I'll tell you right now that I get about 15 to 20 opt-ins a day coming in through all this system that we're talking about. I don't get a crazy amount of people coming through this. I know that Legendary Marketer is high converting. I know that my emails are working and things like that. And so I don't have to spend a lot of money on paid ads. In fact, I spend none for this. And you can see the results in the beginning. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop into my Google Analytics account, and we're going to actually kind of see where this traffic is coming from. Now, you may or may not be familiar with Google Analytics. This isn't going to be a Google Analytics trading, but you can see here, these are basically goals that we've set up in Google Analytics. The 2 that matter here are the webinar, because that's the first place we're sending people, and the affiliate marketing course. Okay, so for the webinar, you can see a majority of my traffic is coming from YouTube and direct, and most of direct is YouTube because I tell them in the video to go to buildapreneur.com/free, which is where that is, and then a little bit coming from a Google blog. Okay, and same thing if we go to the affiliate marketing page right here. You can see YouTube is a vast majority. I'm sending about 200 people from YouTube over to those landing pages that we're talking about. All in all, like I said, I get about 20 people opting in, 15 to 20 people opting into those 2 particular funnels through 90% YouTube. So YouTube is the traffic source that I'm using to do most of this, or I'm sending people to YouTube from Pinterest and then they're going there. But YouTube is kind of the base station for all of this. And let's talk about what I'm doing with my YouTube channel. So you can see my YouTube channel. I know I've got this funnel, right? The first page is all about affiliate marketing. It's a free affiliate marketing course. The bridge page, it's all about how to accelerate your affiliate marketing commissions and make money faster. The email sequence is all about how to do affiliate marketing effectively and different strategies and tips. And then I link them to three affiliate offers to 3 different trainings that teach them how to do affiliate marketing. So you can see we know exactly who our audience is here, right? So now we just need to say, what are they doing on YouTube? What are these people doing on YouTube right now that we can grab them and send them inside of our funnel? And honestly, like I've taught lots of keyword tactics and tricks and things on this channel. What has worked best for me, as crazy as it may sound, is typing in the word affiliate marketing right here, okay? And you can see affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing on a website, 2 videos that are driving me traffic every single day, okay? And I just found them that way. Affiliate marketing on Instagram, a video that'll be coming out soon. And affiliate marketing with Facebook ads, a video that'll be coming out soon. Next thing you do is you'll type in an under dash right there and a space, and it's gonna say, hey, here's a bunch of other options for affiliate marketing. Amazon affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, best affiliate marketing websites, how to start Amazon affiliate marketing, Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, and we can go a step deeper and go to the very beginning and type in A here. And we get all the ones that start with A, all the searches that start with A, all the searches that start with B, best niches for affiliate marketing. Okay, Bing ads for affiliate marketing. You can see C, and I can do this all the way down to Z. And this is a totally free way to figure out, well, what are people that want this product that would benefit from what I'm selling here? What are they doing on YouTube? What are they looking for? And now we've got 60, 70, 80 different videos that we can start producing. And you'll see if you look at my videos, some of them do really well and some of them bomb. Okay, some of them do not do well. In fact, more than half, I would say, don't do well outside of my own audience, which is something you probably won't have. But every once in a while, you'll get a video like we talked about affiliate marketing without a website, right? Or with no money was one of those ones we saw. And you can see every once in a while I'll get a video that starts to rank. You can see I've got 2 videos here ranking for affiliate marketing with no money. Affiliate marketing with no website, I'm ranking 1 right there, okay? Then if you type in affiliate marketing for beginners, guess what? That video bombed. I could scroll for like 10 minutes and not show up there. And so the key here is now we go into content mode. We start putting out content consistently every single day, week, month, whatever we can do. And each piece of content includes, like we talked about, a link to that funnel. So 1, it's got to be spoken about in the video. Okay, so step 1 is in the video, you've got to mention it and tell them to go there. And then 2, in our description, we link right here to one of these 2 funnels that we're talking about. Okay, one of these 2 landing pages. And what we've done is we've found our audience. We know they're proactively interested in affiliate marketing because they're out there searching on YouTube for it. Next, we send them into some kind of simple funnel, simple landing page where we make them an offer that's totally related to what they're looking for, what they're interested in, and then also our affiliate offer. Then we bridge them over and we make our first pitch. This is our first shot at getting them to sign up for that affiliate offer. A lot of people aren't going to take this. That's totally okay. And that's where our email sequence comes in, where we sell them again multiple times, different angles on the same affiliate offer, or if this company's got multiple products, which we hope they do, we now can sell them different products and see if those will relate to them more and get them in the door to this company. And then we continue to do this for 3, 4, 5, 6 months. And I promise you, you will start to see results. Your YouTube videos are digital real estate. They will absolutely eventually start to succeed. And some of your videos will start to send leads every single day. Your leads will go through this system that you've created, and then the affiliate company will end up selling for you. And you've created yourself a passive income stream of $5,000 to $6,000 a month. If you learned one thing from this video, give me the tip of a thumbs up or a comment down below. That's all we ask. Next up, you're going to want to watch one of these videos. If you're really trying to learn about affiliate marketing, this is the channel for you.